Here in Chicago, we're having some issues. Devon de Lavangie has taken over, and we can only stop him by multiplying fractions. People 3 years old to 99 years old have to learn how to multiply fractions. On to you, Mary.
Hello, I'm Mary Burns, and I'm here to teach you how to multiply fractions by whole numbers and fractions themselves. Here's a little example that might help you as we go through. This is an example of multiplying fractions. As you see on number 1, we have a fraction times a whole number. So to change 5 into a fraction, we're going to just make it 5 over 1. So we're going to do 2 times 5 equals 10, and 3 times 1 is 3. So our answer is 10/3, but that's an improper fraction, so we're going to turn that into a mixed number by doing 10 divided by 3, which equals 3 remainder 1. So we're going to change that remainder 1 into a fraction as well, fraction crazy, and we're just going to make it 1/3. So the answer is 3 1/3. For question number 2, we have a fraction times a fraction. So 2 times 5 again equals 10, and then 3 times 9 equals 27. So our answer this time is 10/27. After this, you can do it on your own because, after learning with me, you're obviously a professional. See you later, alligator. Not for a while, crocodile. Which means the end.